Hello merchants, let's create a discount pop-up. First, let's activate the application. Save. Let's change the name. I'll use the dark theme. Let's change the colors. I'll make the pop-up background black. The second background of the discount code pop-up will be the same color. I'll add image for the background. Let's change the backdrop color. Let's change the text. I only need the email address. I don't need a privacy checkbox. I'll change the title of the submit button. Save the changes. This discount code field is deprecated and will be removed. I'll use the code window block instead. Let's activate the block. I want to see my discount code pop-up changes in the theme editor. There is no pop-up because I haven't added any information yet. Let's add some text. Let's add the code. I no longer need the discount code window preview. Save it. Let's test it out. Here, edit tags with discount code. Now we can show this pop-up to customers. Save it.